Hi, good day. I'm Theodore Ethan Pimay. In this video, I will show you how to open a browser, create a Google account, and access Google Drive. Creating a Google account is very easy. All you need to do is follow the simple steps. First, you need to connect to the internet. And then, open a web browser. A web browser is a software that we can use to access the World Wide Web and allows us to visit different websites. Some examples of these browsers are Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, and many others. To open a web browser, you can click on Start on the left bottom corner of your screen. All programs, then locate the web browser that you will use. Like for example, Google Chrome. Or you can simply double-click on the desktop or taskbar the shortcut icon of our web browser. After opening your web browser, let's type in the address bar located at the upper part of your screen. The URL or Uniform Resource Locator www.google.com, then press enter. This will show you Google's website on your browser. On the upper right corner of your screen, click on the profile picture, and then scroll down and click on Add Account. This will take you to Sign Up page. Click on Create an Account, then choose For Myself, and fill in your personal information. Type in your names. First name in the text box labeled First, and then your last name in the text box labeled as Last. Then, choose your username. Your username will be your Gmail address, and it is better to have the simplest username that your family and friends can easily remember. Like for instance, if my name is Ethan Mayhay, I will just have Ethan Mayhay. But if there is an existing username as Ethan Mayhay, I can now add my second name or middle initial or a number, like Ethan Mayhay 09. Once you have successfully created your account, your username will be username@gmail.com, or example with what I did, Ethan Mayhay 09@gmail.com. After you created your username, you will be asked to create a password. A password ensures that only you can access your account, but you need to make a strong password with a minimum of 8 characters and a combination of numbers, letters, and symbols to avoid hackers to access your account. Like for example, Superman returns, but is written this way. It is important to memorize your password because if you forget your password, you might not be able to log in to your account in the future. And to make sure that you type your password correctly, you need to re-enter it again in the text box. Next, to confirm your Google account, you need to type in your cell phone number on the mobile phone text box. You will see the flag displayed. It is the flag of the country where you live. You can change this by clicking on the flag and choose your country from the list. In recovery, email address, you type in here your other email accounts, if you have any. This is used by Google as an alternative to contact us in case your accounts have been hacked or if you forgot your passwords. Then, you need to fill in your birthday. First, click on month and select the month of your birthday. For example, January. And then, type in the day that you were born in the day text box. Example, 1. And then, your birth year in the year text box. Example, 2000. And then, select your gender by clicking the down button and choose from male, female, or other. Okay, so we're almost done in making your Google account. What you need to do now is to verify your phone number. Click Send. Google will send you a text message with the 6-digit verification code. Type in the code in the verification box, then click Verify. If you like to add your phone number to your account for use of Google, click Yes, I'm in. And lastly, click on the checkbox beside I agree to Google Terms of Services and Privacy Policy. And then, you may click on the next step. This will open the Select Profile Photo. You can simply drag your picture to this window and add your photo. Or select your photo from your computer. We will now see this progress bar over here showing our upload progress. Once your photo have been already uploaded, you can now set what part of your photo want to be displayed. And let's click Set as Profile Photo. If you don't have any picture to be used as profile photo yet, you can just click on the next step. This will take you to your Google account homepage. On the upper right corner of your screen, just beside your profile picture, you can see the 9 dots or the Apps button. Here, you can find different Google apps. This triangular icon over here is the Google Drive. Just click on it. Here, you can store, create, edit, and share files online. So that's it. I hope you find this tutorial video helpful. God bless and stay safe everyone.